Hi everybody, and welcome to the Faucets Canada YouTube page. Today, we're going to walk you through how to set your sensor radius on the Allura faucet model. Please bear in mind that this tutorial is applicable to our Splenda and our Merit models as well. So to start, we're going to power on the faucet by pressing the power button once. To start the process of setting our sensor radius, we're going to put our faucet into sleep mode. To do this, we're going to hold the power button down on the faucet until we see the red light blink 5 times. Once it's blinked 5 times, you may release and it'll blink an additional 3 times. Our faucet is now in sleep mode. The sensor radius on the Allura, Splenda, and Merit models has 5 settings, ranging from 1 being the farthest to 5 being the closest. We are going to set this model to sensor radius level number 3. To do so, we are going to start by holding down the power button for 2 blinks. We are then going to release and hold down for the number of flashes we would like it to set to. In this case, it will be 3. Now we're going to try setting it to setting number 1, the furthest sensor radius setting. We will start by putting the faucet in sleep mode once again. Now we will hold down the power button till the red light flashes twice. We will release and hold down for 1 additional flash. And that is how you set the sensor radius on your FCI faucet. Thank you for watching.